Okay, ma, in last class, we see the Cauchy-Riemann equations in Cartesian coordinate system. See that formula, dou u by dou x is dou u by dou y is minus dou v by dou x. These are CR equations. Cauchy-Riemann simply we called as CR equations in Cartesian system. Cartesian system, you remember always in xy terms. In Cartesian, we have xy terms. See the next one. Cauchy-Riemann equations in polar coordinates. Polar coordinates means in terms of r theta. In terms of r theta. Okay, ma? In terms of xy, we call Cartesian coordinates. In terms of r theta, we call polar coordinates. So, let z is equal to x plus iy is in Cartesian coordinates. First, make these xy terms in r thetas. That means make xy terms in r thetas. Polar coordinates కావాలి కాబట్టి xy ని r theta లోకి మార్చాలి. Okay, we know that x is equal to r cos theta and y is equal to r sin theta. Now, what is z? Substitute xy in terms of r theta here. What we get? Z is equal to LHS. X means r cos theta. Put here plus I y place lo r sin theta. R is common for both two terms. Bring outside the bracket as common factor r cos theta plus I sin theta. We know what is cos theta plus I sin theta, e power I theta, which is the formula. Now this becomes z is equal to r e power I theta. Okay. Now z is x plus I by Cartesian form, z is r e power I theta polar form. Now what is f of z? General u plus iv. Z is x plus iy అయితే uvలు xyలో ఉంటాయి. బట్ z r e పవర్ I theta r thetaలో ఉంది కాబట్టి z f of zలో ఉన్నటువంటి uvలు కూడా r thetaలో ఉంటాయి అని అర్థం. ఓకే, z xyలో ఉంటే uxy vxy రాస్తాం. z r e పవర్ I thetaలోకి చేంజ్ చేసాం కాబట్టి f of z ప్లేస్లో r e పవర్ I theta రాసినప్పుడు అంటే z r thetaలో ఉంది కాబట్టి uvలు కూడా r thetaలోకి మారుతాయి. Now this f of z is equal to u plus iv becomes f of r e power I theta is equal to u of r theta plus I v r theta. Put equation number 1. First differentiate equation 1 with respect to r. What we get? Function in terms of r kabatti its derivative f dash same terms into r e power I theta ni with respect to r cheste r ni cheste 1 e power I theta constant as it is. That is equal to, here u is in two terms r thetas. Only differentiate with respect to r, which means theta constant. Now with respect to r derivative means dou u by dou r partial derivative. మా ఇక్కడ వేరియబుల్స్ రెండు కానీ అంతకంటే ఎక్కువ కానీ ఉంటే పార్షియల్ డెరివేటివ్స్ వస్తాయి. ఇక్కడ ఆర్ తీటా ఉన్నది యూలో, విత్ రెస్పెక్ట్ టు ఆర్ కాబట్టి డో యూ బై డో ఆర్ రాసాం. సిమిలర్లీ ఐ v with respect to r means dou v by dou r. Equation number 2. Okay, so differentiate 1 with respect to r, we get these terms. With respect to r ante kinda r terms untayima. Next one, differentiate 1 with respect to theta. What we get? This function derivative with respect to theta means f dash r e power I theta, then r e power I theta ni with respect to theta cheyali. So r into r constant here with respect to theta kabatti r into e power I theta derivative is అంటే r into రాసేసాం. ఇప్పుడు e power I theta derivative I into e power I theta. ఓకే, దిస్ ఇస్ LHS. దట్ ఈస్ ఈక్వల్ టు, దీన్ని చేస్తామా డో u బై డో theta, వీని చేస్తే డో v బై డో theta. ఆల్రెడీ v ముందు I అలాగే ఉంది. నౌ యూ సీ హియర్ ఈక్వేషన్ 2. ఓకే మా, యూ సీ ద LHS in both equation 2 and 3. F dash r e power I theta is same term in the equation 3. E power I theta same term in e power I theta in the equation 3. What is extra terms here? Ri is extra term. So you write it Ri into f dash r e power I theta e power I theta. What is f dash r e power I theta into e power I theta? These terms. So you substitute this. You substitute here this value. What is that value? F dash r e power I theta and e power I theta. So in place of f dash r e power I theta you put dou u by dou r plus I dou v by dou r here. అంటే ఈ టర్మ్స్తో పాటుగా మీకు ఇంటూ ఆర్ఐ వస్తుంది అంతేనా. ఈ ప్లేస్లో ఎఫ్ డాష్ ఆర్ ఈ పవర్ ఐ తీటా ఇంటూ ఆర్ఐ ఉంది ఇక్కడ. సో ఈ రెండింటి ప్లేస్లో ఇది సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేయాలి. ఓకే, ఇన్ 3 వాట్ వీ గెట్, వీ సీ హియర్ వాట్ వీ గెట్. Okay ma, substitute 2 in 3 we get IR into dou u by dou r plus I dou v by dou r, RHS same. Now you substitute here IR, first term dou u by dou r, here IR into I square. What is I square? Minus 1. I into I square r. I square means minus 1. What is I square? I square is minus 1. Already I told you. I square is equal to minus 1. So here IR into I minus I square r means minus r dou u by dou r, this one. Now you compare the or equate the real and imaginary parts. Okay ma? Now you compare real and imaginary parts on both sides. What is real part? I lane is the real part. Here you see what is real part? This one. Minus r dou v by dou r is equal to dou u by dou theta. So dou u by dou theta is equal to minus r dou v by dou r, which is the first one. Second one, imaginary part means I term. What is I term? Dou v by dou theta. This one equal to, here I term is r dou u by dou r. These are called Cauchy-Riemann equations in polar coordinate system because this contains theta and r. Theta and r means this contains r theta unnai kabatti this is called polar system. Okay, you remember these equations. So these are CR equations in polar system. Okay ma, now we have finished the polar coordinate systems, CR equations in polar coordinate system and Cartesian system. Now we see the examples. See the first one. Show that f of z, this is the function x plus iy, is not analytical. Okay ma, first you observe the function is in which coordinate system? In xy terms, means Cartesian coordinate system. Suppose CR equation satisfied, then we say the function is analytic. See the CR equations in Cartesian coordinate system. Dou u by dou x is equal to dou v by dou y. Dou u by dou y is minus dou v by dou x. You remember this. I learned very well this formula, both formulae. Okay ma? See the solution. What is the given function? F of z is equal to x plus iy. What is the general form? F of z is u plus iv. So in place of u, that means real part. In given function, in place of u, what is there? X. Then in place of y, we have y. Okay. Now what is dou u by dou y? Here. Okay ma, I repeat the first question. Show that the function f of z xy plus iy is not analytic. ఇందాక మనం ఎక్స్ మాత్రమే చెప్పామమ్మా, దట్ ఈస్ రాంగ్, xy. ఓకే, సో గివెన్ ఫంక్షన్ ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ జెడ్ ఈస్ xy ప్లస్ iy. జనరల్ ఫామ్ ఏంటి? ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ జెడ్ ఈస్ u ప్లస్ iv. సో ఇన్ ప్లేస్ ఆఫ్ u వాట్ వీ హియర్? రియల్ పార్ట్ ఈస్ u. వాట్ ఈస్ ఇన్ ద గివెన్ ఫంక్షన్? u ఈస్ ఈక్వల్ టు xy అండ్ v ఈస్ y. v ఈస్ y. వాట్ ఈస్ dou u by dou x? విత్ రెస్పెక్ట్ టు x డెరివేటివ్ మీన్స్ y కాన్స్టెంట్. సో ఇంటూ y కాన్స్టెంట్, x డెరివేటివ్ 1. 1 into y means y. Dou u by dou y with respect to y, x constant, x into y derivative 1, x. Now let v is equal to y. Dou v by dou x with respect to x చేసేటప్పుడు y constant కాబట్టి 0. Next dou v by dou y. Dou v by dou y means with respect to y derivative 1. Here you observe dou u by dou x, dou v by dou y is not equal. So dou u by dou x is not equal to dou v by dou y. Dou v by dou y is not equal to dou v by dou x. ఈ రెండు ఈక్వల్గా ఉండాలమ్మా.